All right, I want to go over this with some people here. This is a monitoring system that we use. One out of three. We have three different monitoring devices. But what I want to show you here is if you look right here, you can see the date, the time, the voltage, the speed, and of course Central Valley's amps. And what I want to explain to people is I really know that this is the true way of getting data to show that a hydrogen system is reliable, because you can show that data every 3 to 5 seconds or whatever you have your monitoring device set up to do. So I just want to show how important this is, okay? And then of course, if you look at this right here, this is actually, we did this one from February 1st to November 27th. And you can read this. It says, this is why monitoring data is so important. For 7 months, this system has been working solidly. As you can see, the graph of amps below, the company has been topping off the water every day. This one piece of data is so important to get fuel savings. I mean, you got to add water to these systems as well, of course. No other hydrogen company has this data, which I have not seen, but I'm here revealing this to people to show them how reliable of a system we have. And you can see that we've gone 80,000 plus miles and we have this data. And again, this is from the beginning right here all the way to here. And what was kind of cool is we actually turned the system off to watch the fuel savings go down. And then of course, a month later, we turned it back on, and this is all the amps. But again, this is all timestamp every 3 seconds, when this truck was running. So again, I mean, this is a very good piece of data that no other hydrogen company has to prove that, our systems have longevity. So I just thought I'd do a quick video, show people that Central Valley has really been working hard to show data. This is all the data that I can really show. I'm not going to go into the fuel savings and all that part of it. And this is just one of the most important parts, to have data like this to show people that the technology, is very reliable. Thanks.